How to check a no caller ID number. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can check a no caller ID number. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to check a no caller ID number, these are the methods you can follow up. So you can usually head over to your phone dialing pad section, and once you have received the call, you need to go ahead and go immediately type in *69 and hit the dial, which will reveal the last caller's number, even if they try to block their caller ID. So that is one of the most common method to see a number behind a no caller ID call, but that may not work on every country and every device. So what you can do is you can directly reach out to your phone company, as they may have additional call tracing options. That is one of the option you can use. Otherwise, there are applications such as Truecaller, which is something that can help identify unknown numbers based on their database. So that is it for now. These are the methods you can apply if you want to check a no caller ID number. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.